solve the equation 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power minus x equal to 2. So to do this, you now have 2 raised to power x plus, this expression will now be 1 all over 2 raised to power x equal to 2. Now now what we're going to do is to multiply all the terms with 2 raised to power x. So now if we multiply all the terms with 2 raised to power x, we have 2 raised to power x times 2 raised to power x for the first term, plus this one now will be 2 raised to power x times 1 all over 2 raised to power x in parentheses plus 2 times 2 raised to power x. Now the first term, you have 2 raised to power x all square plus this 2 raised to power x will cancel, 2 raised to power x, you have 1 here, equal to 2 times 2 raised to power x. Now assuming y is equal to 2 raised to power x. Now wherever I see 2 raised to power x, I replace it with y. So here we'll have y raised to power 2 for the first term plus 1 equal to 2 times y for the term at the right hand side. So now I needed to add minus 2y to both sides. Now this will cancel out if I sum the two equations together. This one will cancel out. You're left with 0 here at the right hand side. So at the left hand side you have y raised to power 2 minus 2y plus 1. Now here we needed to solve this by factorization. We need to solve this quadratic equation by factorization. So the way we're going to solve it is we multiply the first term with the last term. So if we multiply the first term with the last term, you have y squared times plus 1, which is with a plus y squared. So what are the factors of plus y squared? And when you sum them together, you have minus 2y. So the factors are minus y and minus y. So these are the two factors of plus y squared. Now when you sum them up, it will give you minus 2y. Now we're going to replace minus 2y with these two factors of plus y squared. So we now have y squared minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now you are left with, now what is the common factor of these two first terms? So the common factor is y. Y squared divided by y, you have y, minus y divided by y, you have minus 1. Now what is the common term between minus y and plus 1? So you have minus 1 as a common term. Minus y divided by minus 1, you have y. Plus 1 divided by minus 1, you have minus 1 equal to 0. Now what is the common term here? The common term is y minus 1 for these two terms. So you have y minus 1 in parentheses So the first term divided by this y minus 1, you have y. The second term divided by y minus 1, you have minus 1, which is equal to 0. Now that means y minus 1 square is equal to 0, which implies y is equal to, which implies that y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, adding plus 1 to both sides of the equation, now summing these two expressions, you have minus 1 plus 1 will cancel out each other. You have left, what is left on the left hand side is y, which is equal to 1. And we have assumed that y is equal to 2 raised to power x, so we have 2 raised to power x is equal to 1. Now 2 raised to power x is also the same thing as 2 raised to power 0, because anything raised to power 0 is 1. So now, since the bases are the same, you have x is equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is the answer to this expression. Now let's check it. If you put 0 here, and put 0 here, minus 0 is something as 0. So you have 2 raised to power 0 plus 2 raised to power 0. So you have 1 plus 1, which is 2. So that is correct. So now, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and hit on the notification bell, and also help me to share this video. Thank you, and God bless you.